Myth number 1. Ayurvedic medicine is less effective. Truth. It is true that this method of treatment calls for more patience and endurance. The effectiveness can be cited by this example. Whenever there's a tear in a cloth or a hole in a pitcher, we intend to rectify it by using the similar material that it is made of. Similarly, any fault in the human body also calls to be corrected by use of natural resources as much as possible. Myth number 2. Ayurvedic medicines are slow in showing results. Truth. The irony lies with the delay from the patient's side. Most patients visiting holistic practitioners take their time in trying other systems of medicine so as to derive a faster result. This not only delays the effective medicine, it also hampers the working of the drug. This is because the patient has either tried a much more complicated and powerful combination of drugs, the effect of which needs to be neutralized first, or, in the meantime, his malady has substantially become deep-rooted and taking a chronic form. It may at times show to work slowly, but as the fable goes, slow and steady wins the race. Are you enjoying this video? Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share so others can easily find this information. Thanks. Myth number 3. Ayurvedic medicine has side effects. Truth. Any side effect from medicine, or any therapy, may result from the misuse of drugs, either in processing or in prescribing. As far as side effect or after effect is concerned, I believe time-tested medicines are safe provided the former two factors are precise. The safety of Ayurvedic medicine and mode of treatment may be advocated in 3 points. Number 1. In Ayurveda, the very first principle in treating a disease is to do away with the basic cause, and also to see that no new ailment emerges as a consequence. A disease is eradicated from its roots. And number 2, Ayurveda insists that medicine be centered on the patient rather than on the disease. The mind, body, and soul are considered a tripod, and medicine is prescribed for overall health augmentation. And finally, point number 3, since Ayurveda deals with preparations mainly from herbs and natural resources, it is a harmless therapy with least or no side effects. Myth number 4, Ayurvedic medicines are for older patients. Truth, there is no known limitation in this form of treatment. It is equally suited for all age groups. Ayurveda could be considered a boon for children when their body system is yet tender and in the process of immunity building. The natural products do not interfere with their body resistance and at the same time tend to be more safe and comforting. Finally, myth number 5, Ayurvedic medicines are just an alternative. In truth, the Ayurvedic system of medicine is incorrectly quoted as an alternate therapy, and this has always been the most ancient and complete system of medicine. It was born before the birth of other medical therapies. It's considered the oldest medicine in the world. The word Ayurveda is itself derived from Ayush, which means life, and Veda, which means science. Therefore, Ayurveda is the complete science of life. It is a treasure to provide every individual a life full of health, vigor, and vitality.